Deep in the Nazca Desert of Peru, there lies a mysterious collection of giant geoglyphs stretching over 450 square kilometers. These massive drawings include hundreds of figures, some resembling animals, geometric shapes, and even strange symbols that seem to hold a hidden message. But the most astonishing fact? These figures can only be fully seen from the sky. The Nazca Lines date back more than 2,000 years, long before humans had airplanes or satellites. So how did ancient people create such precise and massive drawings? What was their true purpose? Today, we will uncover the mystery of the Nazca Lines. The discovery of the Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines have existed for thousands of years, but they remain unknown to the modern world until the 20th century. In the 1930s, as aviation technology improved, pilots flying over South America noticed something incredible: huge patterns on the desert floor. From the ground, these lines appeared to be simple cracks in the soil, but from the sky, they formed clear images of animals, spirals, and long straight lines stretching for kilometers. At first, some believed these were natural formations. However, as archaeologists began to study them closely, they realized that these figures were intentionally created by the ancient Nazca people. This discovery shocked the world, attracting scientists and historians from all over the globe to Peru, eager to uncover the truth behind these mysterious lines. The scale of the Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines are mainly found in the Nazca Desert in southern Peru. This region is one of the driest places on Earth, with almost no rainfall. Because of this, the lines have been perfectly preserved for thousands of years. So, how big are these geoglyphs? Here are some examples. Straight lines and geometric shapes. Some lines stretch over 48 kilometers. There are also triangles, spirals, and rectangles covering vast areas. Animal figures. Hummingbird, 93 meters long. Monkey, 110 meters long. Spider, 45 meters long. Other animals include parrots, whales, cats, and lizards. Mysterious humanoid shapes. Some figures do not resemble any known animals. Some believe these might be symbols of gods or even extraterrestrial beings. These drawings are so large that they can only be properly viewed from the sky. But how did the Nazca people, who had no means of flying, create such precise and massive figures? How were the Nazca Lines created? After decades of research, archaeologists discovered that the Nazca people made these lines using a simple but effective technique. The top layer of the desert is covered with dark reddish-brown stones, but beneath that layer is lighter-colored soil. By removing the top layer of stones, ancient people could reveal the white soil beneath, creating highly visible lines that stood out against the darker ground. But how did they maintain such precision on such a massive scale? Scientists believe the Nazca people used the following methods. 1. Basic measurement tools. They may have placed wooden stakes in the ground and used ropes to create straight lines. 2. Scaled-up drawings. They could have drawn small versions of the figures first, and then used a grid system to enlarge them. 3. Regular maintenance. The lines were likely maintained by the Nazca people to prevent them from fading over time. Even though these methods could explain how the lines were made, there is still a mystery. How did they ensure such perfect proportions without being able to see the full image from above? Historians and scientists have proposed many theories about why the Nazca people created these massive geoglyphs. Here are some of the most popular ideas. 1. Religious or ritual purposes. Some archaeologists believe the Nazca Lines were part of ceremonial rituals. Since the Nazca people lived in an extremely dry environment, the lines may have been used to pray for rain or to honor their gods. 2. A giant astronomical calendar. Another theory suggests that the Nazca Lines were used as an astronomical observatory. Researchers have found that some lines align perfectly with the sun, moon, and stars during solstices and equinoxes. This suggests they may have been a giant calendar, helping the Nazca people track the seasons and plan their farming activities. 3. Alien theories, the most popular conspiracy theory. Because the lines are only visible from the sky, some believe they were not created by humans, but by extraterrestrials. In the 1970s, Swiss author Erich von Däniken introduced a shocking theory. The Nazca Lines were runways for alien spaceships. According to him, extraterrestrial visitors may have landed on Earth long ago, guiding ancient civilizations and leaving these markings behind. Although most scientists reject this idea due to a lack of evidence, it remains one of the most widely discussed theories about the Nazca Lines.